Founded in 2005, our company is a professional supplier of construction vehicles with many years of experience in production and research and development. We mainly supply loaders, excavators, self-loading mixer trucks, forklifts, and other series of construction machinery. The joint factory has an existing workshop of 100,000 square meters with intelligent manufacturing production lines, laser cutting precision equipment for cutting and welding frames, intelligent welding robots, and integrated intelligent manufacturing equipment for machining centers. As a national high-tech enterprise, it has 118 national patents. The company has 600 employees, including more than 30 R&D personnel. Our company is a modern intelligent supplier integrating independent research and development of construction machinery, high-end manufacturing, and marketing service manufacturers, creating first-class construction machinery, production, equipment for customers. Realize one-stop, multi-purpose matching, fast equipment conversion, improve work efficiency, meet the needs of multi-scenario work, simple and low fuel consumption. It is a multifunctional product that replaces labor. The products are exported to more than 20 regions such as South America, the Middle East, the European Union, Central Asia, and Southeast Asia. All products of our company have passed CE, ISO 9001 certification, EPA, SGS International Authoritative certification, and passed the full load aging test. With excellent quality and competitive price, timely after-sales service, it has won high praise from customers from various countries. Meeting customer requirements is our value. Let us join hands in creating a better future.